Hello, this is Basics of Geometry, Patterns and Inductive Reasoning, Example 4. And in Example 4, we're going to prove a conjecture false. And the easiest way to prove that a conjecture is false is just to find one counterexample. If you're making this conjecture that any number, when you square it, is greater than or equal to it, well, then you're saying it's true all the time, because you say for all real numbers. So if you find one time when this thing is not true, then you're proving that it's false. Or I guess you're disproving it. So it seems to make sense that if you square a number, you'd get something bigger. So see, like if you take 2 squared, well, if you square it, you get 4. See, if you start out with 2, you square it, you get something bigger. So we're looking for a counterexample, so let's try a negative. What if it's negative 2 squared? Well, that's positive 4, and that's greater than negative 2, so that works also. 0 works because if you take 0 squared, you get 0, and 0 is greater than or equal to 0. So, if you try these examples, you might be thinking, well, maybe this is true. But you just have to try some different numbers. And the place where this is not going to be true is with fractions. See, if you have 1/2 squared, well, 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. You see, and 1/4 is not greater than or equal to 1/2. So here's your counterexample. That's one counterexample, and so it might be any fraction. So if we take a fraction like 0.75 and we square that, we get 0.5625. See, so any fraction is a counterexample to prove that this is false.